Morning already. Guess it's time to go cook me some breakfast now. I'm feeling a little bit peckish. I'm gonna cook me some omelets. I'm gonna get it out of the refrigerator. Whoa. How convenient. Okay. Gotta go get the arm supply. I need and the whole entire refrigerator. What do I need? I need butter. Yeah, I need butter. So you gotta have the butter. Okay, the butter and the butter and what else? Oh yeah, milk. But there gotta be nutrition in it. Milk. Speaking of milk, I like milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. I like milk and cookies. Alright. What I need? Of course, you gotta add some nutrition to it. Like it just nutrition. Gotta add some nutrition. Gotta get the salt. Come on, you fucking salt. Don't play with me now. Yo, we gotta add salt. You know you gotta add that spice. Alright. So I got the salt and the spice, I got the milk, I got the butter, I got the eggs. Oh, what's complete without a pot? I can't cook this all by myself. I need help. Alright, man. Just gonna get out and just gonna get it on. Just gonna get out. Alright, man. I'm right here, dude. Sorry. Alright, man. You wanna help me cook? Sure. Let's go. Alright. What's the other teams? I don't know. Alright. Now set this right here. Alright, so what we're gonna so what's the first thing we're gonna need? We're gonna need some I need to get the milk. First we gotta start the oven. Yeah, we're gonna start the oven. Yeah, man. The medium? Yeah, medium, good. Alright. The butter first? Yeah, get the spoon. I got it. Why is it behind me, man? No, I'm gonna just get in the oven. Wait, no, it's on. Alright. Oh, can you see me? Alright, come on. Come on, butter, don't play with me now. Come on, yeah, don't. Yeah, mix it all around like that. Yeah, mix it all up. Yeah, mix that. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. But if I step in there, I'll be burned to death. Yeah, look at that smoke. Yeah, that's the stuff. You know, let it sit there, cause I gotta let it go. Come on, get off. Alright, I gotta grab this freaking pot. I grab the pot. Come on. Oh yeah, slide on that butter. Slide it. Slide. Come on. Stop. In my. Alright. What else we need, man? We need the eggs. I'm gonna go get the eggs. You start with that. Oh guys, I'm so happy Halloween. Well, not actually happy Halloween. It's the month of Halloween. Alright. You wanna crack the egg? I think I'll crack the egg. Come on, crack the egg. Crack a jack. Come on, crack it.
He's too powerful for that.
Crack a jack. Just crack it. Crack a jack. Okay. Shut up. Okay, come on. Come on, egg. Don't play with me now. You know what? Put the egg in there. Alright, come on, egg. Don't play with me now. Yeah, that's a good egg. That's a good egg. Now, put it in here. Get the second one. Oh, you crack this one, man. Alright, man, I'll crack it. Alright. I'll cook the egg. Make it the omelet. Make it the omelet. I'll cook the egg. What? Make it the omelet. You see that crack? Oh, I'll cook the egg. Crack the omelet. We cook something for everybody, man. A big giant, a big fart nugget. Wait, fart nugget? Yeah, that's my line. That's what I use. Come on. Yeah, guys, I know there's a lot of scratches and cuts on me, but I'll get a new version of me. I'm gonna look completely different. Come on, get in there. I don't want it. Alright. Is that enough? Yeah, I think that's enough. Alright. Who's gonna mix it? I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna get this freaking spoon. Crap. Oh, crap. Alright, I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna mix this one. I don't know why I'm sleeping on the ground.
Yeah, so you make them.
Get out. Alright.
That is mean, Aisha.
Come on.
That's a bad deal.
Oh yeah, look at her. Yeah, look at her. Look at that. Look at her. Look. Oh, I'm gonna smack it on the butt. Now, that's off screen. I'm gonna go beat up the guy that was talking.
My head. That is stupid.
Oh my god.
Like, this is stupid thing you tap on your videos. Why can't you tap on your videos? And why you want to be a YouTuber? I do want to be a YouTuber, but not like that, right?
Sanji, why are you talking again? And what happened to your voice, Sanji? Sanji, not in this video. Get out.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm sorry, man. I'm just really sick. My voice sounds like a high-pitched idiot.
Shut up, Elijah.
Who's this logic guy? Me. Oh.
This is how you didn't learn.
I gotta go blow my nose. I'm kind of feeling rich. Wait, did Sandra touch me? Oh yeah, look how it's cooking. Look how it's cooking. Okay, I'm gonna go blow my nose and wait. I don't have a nose. Look at it. I don't have a nose. I have a nose, but I can blow it. Just curious the eggs. We forgot to add the salt. We got to add the spice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We gotta get the onions. Yeah. Gotta be nutritious. We gotta add the onions. Alright, come on, onions. Don't play with me now. Gotta be smoking good. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get a scoop. It's gonna be a good breakfast for everybody. Yeah, good breakfast for all our friends. Oh yeah, good. This one be good. All right. Are y'all eggs or cold? Are y'all cozy? Are y'all cozy? Good. Now, I'm gonna get the spatula. I'm gonna get the spatula. You wanna flip it? Yeah, I think I'll flip it. There you go. I'm gonna just lay down right here. Alright. Alright, come on. Come on. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now, man. Do not play with me now. Alright, come on, flip. Come on, flip. Oh, just one more. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, man. Look at that, baby. That's a butt. Smack that. We're gonna wait. So, how long are we gonna wait? We just wait a couple while. I'm gonna go get our friends. All right. Just gonna get our friends. Oh. All right, guys. All right, here, man. What's this smell? It smells so good. All right, come on. All right, if you come here, everybody get on the table. What's Frank? He's on the ground. Let's go. All right. Everybody get your craps on the table. We're making y'all some breakfast. Right. You sit down. Put this behind y'all. Alright. What kind of breakfast are we getting? Just wait and see. Alright, y'all sit right there. And I'm gonna go check on the breakfast. Okay, alright. I got all friends. I'm gonna flip it. Cause I'm a little bit short. Alright, come on. Come on, omelet. You did this good. Not even I do omelets this good. It's true, you can even act smart, man. I gotta make this crap flip. Hold up. Y'all put this thing down. No. Alright. Make this flip. Alright, we always have to up in little pieces or something. We only got like 14 minutes left, so if it gets on that, then the video's over. No, screw it. Chop it all in half. See, I can't make it omelets this good. Wow, it's 14 minutes. Alright. Alright, get everybody a fork. One all day. Because if it goes on 15 minutes, I'm screwed. Because the video is going to be over by then. Alright. Oh my God. Alright, guys, here's your food. I'll go get your food. Oh, yeah, the food. Alright. I'll get everybody your food. And here y'all go. Here's y'all food. Oh, an omelet. I can't wait to dig in. Thanks for making this breakfast. Well, I'm eating first, man. Wait, no.